Did you know that 1/2 cup of cooked lentils packs as much protein as a steak? They're also an excellent source of fiber, folic acid, potassium, and antioxidants. Then add quinoa, a superfood itself, and these low-fat burgers pack the nutrition. Start by adding avocado oil to your pan and sauteing the onions, celery, and red bell pepper. In a food processor, add your lentils, your quinoa, your salt and pepper. Process this, stopping 1 or 2 times, scraping down the sides of the food processor bowl, and process again. Then add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil and continue to process. Then in a large mixing bowl, combine your sauteed veggies, your lentils and quinoa, and your parsley. And stir well, or you can use a mixer. I use a 1 cup measuring cup if I'm going to serve these by themselves, and a 1/2 cup measuring cup if they'll be served on a bun. Then press these until they're about a 1/2 inch thick. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat, add avocado oil, and then add your patties and cook in batches about 3 to 4 minutes each side. This is a very versatile lentil burger recipe that you can use in many different ways with different kinds of toppings. You can simply eat it as a burger with mayo, ketchup, pickle, and all the trimmings. Or try putting an entire avocado in your food processor along with minced garlic, the juice from 1/2 of a lime, and 1 tablespoon tahini. Process this and serve this on your lentil burgers. I hope you enjoy this versatile lentil burger recipe time and time again with your family. Thanks for watching, and check out my channel for other great meatless, gluten-free meals.